Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ayashane. So for today, we make some unboxing for the professional Lavalier microphone. So this one model DC C5. So we unbox this one and we check the sound also if this one okay. But before we start, just let the introduction first.
1, 2, 3, come on!
So before we unboxing this one, we do some shout out for our subscriber. Shout out to Junmar Arnosa, and then Mark Enyiko Diga. I don't know how to pronounce this Enyiko. Yes, I think Enyiko Diga. Thanks for subscribe my channel, and then stay tuned to more videos to come. Thank you. So come on, we start to unboxing this one. Start to open. Have a pouch. Wow! See? Wonderful. Okay. So we have also a covering for the wing. Have a clip also. See? Have a clip. Okay. Maybe how many meters this one? 3.5 millimeter headphone port and plugging, and the headphone to 3.5 millimeter headphone port. Okay, so we try this in our video now. So this is the sound when I'm not using for this mic. We try to check if what is the difference without mic or using this mic. Okay, we try this one. Hello, mic, hello, mic, are you there, mic? Hello, mic, hello, mic, check, mic test, mic, where's the mic, mic into go, mic, mic, are you there, mic, hello. Okay, I think this one good. We put here, we try. So okay, very nice. Hello, mic, hello. So there's a big difference for this if you're using this mic. Your voice loud and clear, but if you're using the internal mic from mobile, is sometimes you can hear another sound, and the sound is very low the sound. So if you're using this kind of mic, it's very good for using if you make some vlog, or for our YouTuber, or same like me, YouTuber. So very helpful. Okay guys, that's all for today. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, just give me some hit like and comment downside, and then forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you and more power.